So what we want to see is a clean break of 44. We want to see a clean break of 44 and have the price take us all the way um, to 41. Remember, 41 is the trail for the bulls. Okay. All right. But this wave right here, right now, it's being it's being controlled by the bears. Okay. Okay. So change of hats, in other words, of the tempo play. All right. So clean break of 47. The bulls take control back because right now the control of this wave right here is being taken by the bears. So we all saw it, right? Nice, nice break right there of the high, right? 47. And we all knew that 49 was going to be the first area to stop it, right? Bulls took took control again temporarily, right? So what now? Well, now it's now 43 is is stronger than 49. Okay, and we know. Okay, and we know 52 and 54. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's right. Just like we said, we're trading what we see. Clean break of 47. Price will continue going up. We knew 49 was going to stop it. Look how it did. Stop it for 2 minutes. But we believe that it'll continue going up. And then we have 50, 52. Yeah, 52 and 54. All right. I'm expecting the price not to take those two. All right. All right. Okay. So let's see. Right. So in other words, uh, those traders that went long the break of 47, right? Because we knew it was gonna continue going. Gee, big deal to 49. Yeah, 49 was only the first one. 49 and 52. Price just went to 51.75, right? Okay. And we still believe that the price is going to continue. Uh, 52 was the beginning of stopping it. And look at it, right? Look at it, right? It goes to 51 half, cannot take 52. That's because you guys are taking advantage of the strong resistance 52, 54, and bears are jumping the gun. Sure, they say, you know what? In case it doesn't go to 54, I'm gonna jump the gun right here at 51, and I'll do it again at 54. So I'm gonna be average short 52 half, and I'm expecting the price to go back to 49, break it, and go to and then um, of course, and then go to the initial break 47, break it, and just stop breaking and start trailing. Yeah, that's what the bears, those who are counting on this 2 point range of resistance 52 54 happens. I'll say. All right, so we need to understand, ladies and gentlemen, that the main play right now is that breakout to the upside of 47. Okay, so bulls are in complete control. We all know the ebb and flow of the market. Market goes up and it goes down. It finds resistance, pulls back, and then it finds resistance, and then it reverses, it retraces. We just happens to know where the resistances for this main play long breakout 47 happens to be. Boom, right here, 52, bulls are gonna try to take it, and 54, but the bears, in my humble opinion, they're gonna do everything in their power to stop it. All right. However, we all must completely and fully understand that the main play is bullish break of 47. Just because we have resistance 54, that doesn't mean that you should treat a short 54 like the main play, because it's not. All right. It's a counter trend. All right. You need to understand that, because you need to know at all times what type of trade is the one you're taking, so that you can get from your toolbox the strategies that go according to that play that you're taking. And what I just said is so difficult to do, and most traders, 99% of traders, all of those traders that don't make it, all the teenagers on YouTube, right? They don't even understand what I'm saying right now. All right? And this is, ladies and gentlemen, the fight that I told you was gonna happen right here, 52, 54. This one right here, right? Boom, 53. Cannot take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and it just cannot take it. It's gonna have to take its time. They have to look for help, the bulls, that is, and see if they can if they can take this range right here. It's not gonna be easy, but right, okay. What we need to know now is there another resistance above 54, right? Because those of us who are long the breakout 47, expecting the price to continue going up as the main play, then we want the price to go to 54. Take it. We would love it if the price can destroy it, right? But we know that that's not going to happen. And that's why that's an opportunity for a counter trend. But make no mistake, the bulls took complete control when they broke 47. So the main play is long 47. And look at what happened when the price went all the way to 49. Clean break, came right back down to 47, giving us an excellent entry long the breakout. For those of you who didn't have a limit long, right? Those of you who didn't have a limit long, 47, price went to 49. We knew 49 was going to stop it. Then it pulls back to our support because resistance because support 47. It gives you an excellent chance to bang, to take that long right there, 47. And you know it's going to go to 52, 54, and you know how the action is going to be here. All right, so if you're not long and you're counting on this counter trend short to buy you a Lamborghini, you are wrong. Okay, so don't have a bigger position short than you should long. We can all see that double top right there, 56, right? Okay. So if the price takes 54, which I told you half an hour ago, that ain't no gonna be no happening. Bang! Right? Here we go. Okay. What is that? 53.75, isn't it? Okay. It's 53.75. And look at it. Look at the U-turn all the way to 50, right? 4 points. 4 points in back at in 4 seconds. That's the fight that I've been talking about. All right? And that fight, my friends, is going to continue. I should have sold my house and short that the mid-range 53, 54, man. Look at that, CAPI. Come on. Hey, listen, we got to follow the rules. That's right. All right? That's all there is to it. Okay? So, because we don't have emotions, we don't have emotions. We just do exactly with 100% discipline, like a Marine, what the system says. Period. Yeah, Gabby, but if I had shorted the big count, look at that drop to 49 men in 2 seconds. All right. It's called greed. It's called weakness. It's called, if you feel like that, it's called amateurism. All right? Because we all know that sometimes the main play is gonna work beautifully, and that's when you're supposed to have your good size, and it'll work with you, and you're gonna make 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 points like we did yesterday and like we've done so many times. All right. So this is just a game of wits. Okay, between the smart money, we are the smart money. So so support become resistance, resistance becomes support. We all, that's trading 101, right? So that clean break of 47, actually, that's pretty good. Support 47 and 49. Okay, they're both good supports. Okay, 47, 49 are counting on taking the price all the way to 67. That's the next resistance. Okay, the next resistance is 67. Okay, yeah, that's right, 67. It's pretty good, right? 67. All right, there's nothing is stopping the price to continue going to 67. Is it guaranteed it's gonna go to 67? Of course not. We all know that there isn't such a thing, right? Okay. All righty then. No guarantee. However, okay. Our job is, because the market is dynamic, and this is what a lot of traders, they hear it, they hear me say it, I don't know, a million times, and yeah, they understand it, but they don't pay attention to it. So what is it that I'm trying to tell you? Well, between 58 and 67, anything can happen any time, any second, any minute. That is going to tell us that there is a change in command. And the bears or the snakes are going to take control of this main play long. Even though we don't have anything between 58 and 67, it can happen anytime. It could be this 57 right here quarter. You know? That's what the price is dynamic means. Everything is changing all the time. Main play, counter trends turning to the main play, right? Okay. Snake wave could turns easily to a bullish or to a bearish. That clean break of 52, right? That clean break of 52 made 52 support now. 52 is the first support. Okay. Let me see. It's not 50. It's not 52. It's 51. Right there. 51. And what's the confirmation? Oh, the clean break of 54. That's beautiful. Yeah. Bulls, they're going long right here, 56. They're counting on the price to go test the high and break it and continue 67. All right, so everything live, the real live trading. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who took a shot short 54, I'm expecting you to believe me when I told you, don't you dare take it as the main play. And those of you who only listen to me and tell me if I'm not reading your mind. Those of you who only when counter trend short 54, 55, right here 56, that didn't take the breakout long, and you were just waiting for the strong resistance to buy you a Lamborghini, right? Which is, I know there's a lot of traders that did that. They're not long. For some reason, they're not long, even though I've been saying official main play long, going to 67. They're still not long. They're just, for some reason, they're just only short the counter trend, right? Tell me that some of you are not. So my point is, I'm expecting you to have the discipline to understand that you should be long. Repeat that. Those who are slow and didn't hear my monologue before 9:30 that I told you crystal clear. And listen, this thing clean breaks 47, be long all the way to 54. All right. If you didn't, because you're slow, you're whatever it is, you don't believe the system. You think that you're gonna do better with the counter trend, right? Am I reading your mind or not? Right. So you need to understand that the main strength is long, it's bullish, and it's on its way to 67. Guarantee, of course not. But the break of 52 and 54 is an add to a winner. Traders who trade and they're after the mid in the middle, they're not long 47 like we are long 47. Twice. Break of 47 limit at the open, pull back, and then the next minute the price came right back down to 47, giving you another opportunity to go long right there. Razor sharp entry. Right? So some of us are long 47. And those who are late bloomers, they took a shot at the break of 54. And those who are long 47, they added to a winner. Look at the chart. Look how the price behaved right there at 52. Tell me that's not funny. Tell me that's not funny. Look at the way the hell is this? Look at the way the chart behave at 52. All right? Come on. All right, look at it. All right? All right. It's 10 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, CAPI, look at that, 57. The 54 short only took 3 points of hit, man. Back to 54. Of course, whenever we have a strong support, a strong resistance, it works like a magnet, right? It could take it, but what do you think? All those traders that added to a winner 54, they made 3 points and they're getting the hell out. And we all know that 54 was a strong resistance. Now it's not 54, 52, and it's now 51. This is the real resistance now. Okay, 54 was a squeeze. So let's do it like it is. All right. Oh my God, CAPI, look at that, man. I took that 55, 56 short, because I was counting on that strong resistance. Okay. In trading, because of the ebb and flow of the market, everybody makes money. Bulls and bears, even snakes and weasels, turtles and kangaroos, they all make money. It all depends on your management. Today, for the price to take a triple crown resistance needs so much power that it's just amazingly powerful, and it's gonna completely take it to the next resistance. And in Prisatico, the next resistance is 67. We're just gonna take some time. Let's watch it. Number one and number two, we all know that anything can happen between here, 60 and 67. But we are already long from 47. From 47 to 60, how many points we made? 13 points already. So where are we at in management mode? Right? Stop, break even, let it ride. I believe that's 65, isn't it? Okay. All right. We all know where I told you there's nothing stopping the price to continue going up all the way to 67. And we have a couple of good reasons, right? When the price takes on a very important setup, it needs, like I said, it needs a lot of gunpowder to do it. Boom, it took it. Oh my God. Trading 101. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Boom, we take it from 52 to 51. Price breaks the squeeze, 54. Another confirmation that it's going to continue going up. And then it goes to 58. A beautiful pullback. Where to? 54, 53, giving you a beautiful re-entry. If you weren't long, you take advantage of this pullback from 58 all the way to 53, right? Look at that below 54. We know that 54 is now support. Take a shot long. Those of us who are long already 47, 49, 50, we're adding to a winner right here because we know that the odds say that the price is going to go to 67. So why not add ammunition to your position right here, 54, if you think that the price is going to go 13 more points up all the way to 67, right? And then the price bounce. It looks beautiful. Another confirmation that, oh, it looks like this thing is powerful. And, you know, and Prisatico says it'll go to 67. I'm going to take a shot. Boom. You're long right there as well. What do you think 67 is? 67 is target 1. And we all know what we do at target 1, target 2, and target 3. We're gonna look for we're gonna look for a counter trend. How are we gonna do that? Well, we have to look at it. Is it a clean break of 67? Oh my God, yes, CAPI. All right, then don't counter trend it yet. You crazy? Look at the strength of the price. Look at the strength of the trend. We know though that 67 is the beginning of resistance. All right. Well, look at your chart and tell me, how did the price take 67? Well, look, the low of this bar right here is 66. Bam! 71, 5 points. Would you say that's a clean break? Look at it. Look the way the price broke 67. Look at it. From 60, 66 is the low, and 71 is the high. That's a clean break of our 67. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Power, right? Exactly. Now our job is to look for target 2. That's what we're going to do now. All right? If you gave it a shot right here, short 70, you know, expecting that our 67 is going to work, we are trading what we see. Remember, we're trading what the average trader trades. What we see, you know, big deal. So we, look at it. It's a clean break of 67, right? Look at the other bar. Clean break of 64. We don't care about 64. We only care about 67. If there is a clean break of 67, then that means a lot. But if it's a clean break of 60, who cares? Beautiful, because it looks like it's going to continue going to our target. All right? We only care about Prisatico's levels. That's it. All right? Okay. So let's continue riding this baby all the way to target 2, which I'm looking. All right, let's see. All right, so I can tell. All right, so we are in a new rotation. The market is in a rotation right now, of course, had to. And 74. Oh, gee, I have 74 right here. All right, 74 is still All right, 67. Oh, geez, 67, 74. All right, ladies and gentlemen, right here, 74 is target 2. Okay, 74, ladies and gentlemen, is target 2. Oh my God, so can we counter trend the CAPI because I'm not alone? I'm kidding. Yes, we can. 74 is target 2. All righty? All right. 74 is target 2. Price just went to 73. Oh my God. So we're going to do the same. We're going to pulse it out. All right? We're going to just pulse it out. All right? Now, listen to me, my dear members. All right? Listen to me very carefully. Right now, we are in a cycle rotation. The smart money decided to do something new. Well, let me put it that way. All right, that's it. They decided to do something new. It's in a rotation. Okay. So what does that mean, Cappy? Come on, I don't understand what the hell a rotation means. You're the only one that knows that because you're the only one that knows Prisatico. So tell me, what the hell is a rotation? Right? I'm gonna tell you. A rotation is that I'm gonna have a new reading right now. So this 74, that is a counter trend, sure, because it's target 2. It's pretty good. Now it's pretty good. Why? Because we're gonna have a new reading. I don't have confirmation yet that 74 is part of the new reading. It doesn't matter because we know that 74 is target 2, and target 2 we automatically, right? Automatically, providing the pulsing, we short it. We automatically know that we're gonna be looking to counter trend it short. Period. All right, and we have a new rotation. I'm gonna have a new reading pretty soon, right? Because rotation is like a big ship. You've all heard that. Well, it doesn't only happen on investing; it also happens on day trading. We are in a new rotation right now, and it takes a while for for the ship to completely turn around. We don't know if the new we don't know if the new reading of this cycle rotation is gonna tell us to go short. We're going short no matter what. Target 2 and target 3 and last target. Of course, we're gonna watch it. Right? We're gonna look at it. We're gonna pulse it out. Right? Look at 67. If the price takes 67 like it did right now, beautifully, clean break, 5 points in 5 seconds, what the hell are you gonna short 67? Wait until the price itself stops, and then you can pulse it a little bit. The same thing we're gonna do with 74. There are some traders right now that know the importance of 74. They know 74 is a nice, cozy resistance, and they're jumping the gun. Oh, okay, right? No problem. They jumped the gun 73. Price went all the way to 68. They made 5 points, and they're so happy with 5 miserable points. I'll take that back. Not miserable, because if you're trading 35, 40, 50 ES, that's 5 points is pretty good. I'm excited, that's all. All right. Target 2, 74. I'm expecting 74 to be taken, and a continuation all the way to target 3, which I'm looking for it right now. What are we doing in the meantime? We're managing our long position. Stop break even, start trailing, target 1, target 2. It took 67. We know now that 67 is a nice support. We are expecting the price to test 74, at least to the tick. If it doesn't, well, so be it. But that's what we're expecting. And we are also expecting the price to take 74 and go to target 3, which we don't have yet. And now it's going to take me a little bit longer because there's a new rotation on this cycle. So I just have to wait to see Market is dynamic, and I just need to see where the smart money wants now to if they want to continue going up, I need to see where they're gonna take it to. Right? That's just mathematics. The first thing that we want to know now is the price going to not only test 74, but is it gonna take it? That's number one. And number two, if it is gonna take it, break it, where is it going? Right? That's the second thing that we want to know. All right. On this rotation, I will have that info. All right. Is that 74, ladies and gentlemen? Is that 74? I believe it is. Look at that. 74, 75. Oh my God, CAPI. Unbelievable, man. That's right. Okay. CAPI, let me tell you this. I don't counter trend, man, because I'm just more comfortable with only being on a trade, having a position with the strongest trend. So if it's okay with you, I'm not gonna take this 74, 75 counter trend short. Of course it's okay with me, but I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna leave a lot of points in the table if you don't. Two reasons. Reason number one, Prisaricos levels are magical. And there is no other system in the world with any of those teenagers on YouTube, and not the not so teenagers either, that have a system like this. They have no idea what the real supports and resistance are. They just have no clue. That's number one. And number two, remember, by having two positions, we reduce the risk of the overall P&L of our profits. Okay. All right. Look at that. 75 half. Right. 75 half. And look at that. Look at that immediate, nice, beautiful drop all the way to 71. Look at it. So what does that tell you about Prisaricos levels of support and resistance, in this case 74, 75? What does that tell you? That the price just pulls back all the way to 71 in 71 microseconds. What does that tell you? That tells you something's going on with 74, 75, isn't it? And those of you who are not counter trend, meaning with the micros, or if your original maximum size with the ES is 10 contracts, you can go short, and you don't like to trade the micros. I don't like to trade the micros. You can be sure that right there, 74, 75, with 2, 3 ES. 1/3 of the of your maximum position size, which is in this case, let's say 10. Right? That's it. 1/3. Boom. Price goes 2, 3, 4, 5 points with you. Stop, break even. Never let a winner turn into a loser. You are an active trader, right? You're an active day trader, and you're taking advantage of the ebb and flow of the market. You're taking advantage of every single move the market does. If you know that there is a good possibility that 75 is going to U-turn, why not take advantage of it? Tell me. Any reason? Nope. As long as you have a strict rule-based strategy that tells you exactly how to do it. If you don't, which all the teenagers on YouTube, they have no clue of what I'm talking about right now, then of course you're gonna be annihilated like they are on their demo accounts. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to have this type of control if you want to day trade the S&P 500. Period. If you don't have this type of control of your playing, the market is gonna destroy anybody that doesn't have this amount of control, right? Remember, we are control freaks. Okay. All right. So let's see. I don't have target 3 yet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna let it ride all the way to to 90. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to let it ride all the way to 90. That's target 3. Boom. Alrighty. Okay. Oh my God, CAPI, that's too much, man. There's no way this thing can continue going up so much. Well, that's what trails are for, isn't it? No, but I wanna, I wanna get out at the exact top. You know? Oh, really? So you want the Holy Grail? Oh, I'm sorry. You should have told me before. Right? That's what a lot of teenagers on YouTube think. Well, actually, we all know that they are a bunch of scammers. They don't think that. They just scam the 150,000 followers they have. Right? Poor, innocent, nice, intention traders that want to make it in this business, and they fall for this garbage on YouTube. And for some reason, there is a teenager every single day. There's a new teenager. He's an expert trading the S&P 500. Don't ask me. Go to YouTube and you'll see. Now that I am on YouTube, I'm just flabbergasted. It's unbelievable. It's pretty simple. From now on, we're gonna have the discipline of a U.S. Marine. We have to be disciplined. We have to be strong. We have to be emotionless. We have to believe in our system. We have to have courage, right? We have to have all of that together in our pilot checklist, and that's the only way that we're gonna be able to achieve target 3. Whether the price goes to 90 or not, it doesn't matter. What matters is what we do in the meantime. So listen to me. We're counting on 73 to hold. Okay, 73 is the trail. Okay, 73. All right, just only 1 point below our target 274. Okay, 73. Right. So let's see how the price behave around 73. Okay, 73 is more important than 74. In other words. Oh, right. Look at that nasty pullback. Right. Look at that from 78 quarter. Boom. Right. That's a drop. Oh, let's see what level is gonna stop it. Oh, gee, look, 72. Gee, what a surprise. All right, now let's see what the price is gonna continue doing. Let's see if it's gonna let's see. Remember, it clean takes our support. There is a change in command. If it takes a prosadical level. All right. So what do we have right here? 73. Oh my God, look at that. So it goes to 72. Cannot clean take it. It has to bounce. It goes right back to, gee, what a coincidence. 74. Oh, okay. Bang, 74. Another pullback all the way to 71 and change. And it's got to dance around here. So in other words, the taking of 73, right? We can see the taking of 73 is nothing but momentum. Oh, okay. So what are we going to do now? Well, we're going to bring it down all the way to 71.5. We already have 71, and 71 is now the equivalent of that 73 before. It is now 71. Oh my God, yeah. What else do we have to look at? Well, 74. 74, clean break of 74 makes 74 now resistance, doesn't it? Okay, so what's stronger? 71 as support or 74 as resistance? Well, price is going to play around 74. Look at it. And then we continue managing that third bullish long unit that we have, expecting a leap and down 78, 71, 71, 78, 78, 71, 71, 78, 78, 71. And now 74 is in the middle right there. 74 is fussy. He doesn't know what to do, 74 anymore. Oh my God, should I be support? Should I be resistance? 74 is fuzzy. He doesn't know what gender he is. Now, what we know is that 71 is support and 78 is resistance, and the main plate is bullish, and we have a target 90, so we're counting on the price to test the eye, break it, and continue to 90. Target 3. That's what we're counting on. We know that we're going to be played this 71, 79. We know that. And that's what's going to make a difference between we professional traders and the, oh my God, I can't stand those teenagers on YouTube. Oh, okay, I understand, Cappy. Well, listen to this. I'm going to tell you this right now. Price right now, 75, right? Well, the Bears just took control. What? Yes, the Bears just took control of this wave 71, 79. Really? Yes. So now the odds are that the price is going to eventually take 74, test the low 71, break it, and continue going down short term. It's just short term. The main play remains bullish, but the Bears just took control right here at 75. All right? So I'm going to say it again. The odds are that the price is going to go test the loss. Not going to be easy. It's going to break it. And bang, it's going to continue to 67. Those are the odds now. So why is that so important that we know that? Well, if we know that, then we're going to be in a much better position to manage our third long unit. Boom, testing 71, right? And we know it since the price was right there at 76. Remember, 76? 30 seconds ago, I told you, boom, Bears took control. It's going to take 74. It's going to taste the low. Right? Boom, 71, 70. So you're up 6 points on this momentum short 76. Number one and number two, get the hell out of your third unit long, and you're going to build back better because the main play remains long. In the meantime, you're just short term, 76, and the price just went to 68. Bang, 67. You're up 9 points. And I told you it was gonna take 71 and go all the way to 67. Bang, now we have a bonus. And now what? Well, my friends, you are still short 676, and you're getting lucky. Why? Well, because this counter trend might be the beginning of a new downtrend. And you took it where? Right at the top of this leg. Look at the chart. And that, my friends, that's how the cookie crumbles. This is how this is done. Day trading, the S&P 500. Short 76 that I just called, and then 45 seconds later, it gave us a drop all the way to 63. 13 points. These 13 points, we owe it to a high probability bearish setup that we have here, and the name is, this is a hangover. So remember it. Remember it. Oh my God, remember when CAPI called a hangover? Short 76, and then half a minute later we made 13 points. Yeah, okay, let me write that, hangover. So next time that he calls a hangover, I'm gonna be paying attention. Number one, and number two, are you kidding me? What do you think? The price is gonna go back all the way to 80? Take it and continue on its merry way to 90? I don't think so. So right now we are totally and completely managing, right, this counter trend short, and then we're going to see if it's going to turn into a main play, and if it is, then we can add to a winner because we already made 13 points on this short 76. Okay. Okay, so all right, looking good, right? Well, you have the discipline. You have the discipline of you have the discipline of a marine, so you're good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna pay attention to this new low here, 63. But the real support, the one that cannot be broken. Okay, hold on a second. Let me go ahead and the one that cannot be broken is. Let me see. Yeah, that's right. Is 52. All right, 52 cannot be broken. Oh my God, that's all the way down there. Yeah, that's right. As long as 52 is not broken, we still have a chance to ride our main play long all the way to 90. Okay. In the meantime, because it's gonna take some time, right? We can all see. In the meantime, we're gonna manage that 76 short that we're on right now, right? Remember, okay? All right. The system that we trade here, Prisatical, is not only a couple of methodologies, right? An entire system has to have three legs, right? You have an entire, right? So, the entire process of a consistently profitable day trading has to have three legs. Number one, it has to have a proven profitable system, right? Hey, listen, my win loss and my risk reward ratio calculation tells me that this system is totally profitable over time. Number one, number two, what people call psychology. You gotta have the discipline. You gotta have the condition. You gotta have the courage. You gotta have everything that we talk about. And number three, you gotta do some money management, right? All right, so we are now on phase 7. Money managers tell us, hey, listen, we want to be green every single day. We just made 30 points, and the market conditions are getting tougher to forecast. Therefore, bang, I'm going to take care of my money, these 30 points that I just made in an hour and a half, and I'm on my way to, and I'm now going to phase 7, which is account management. That's it. Just like we never let a winner turn into a loser, we never let a green day go red. And that's it. 63, holding, boom, we are on our way to 90, managing the third unit that we want the price to go to 90. Listen to this. 74 right here, right now. Remember, the market is dynamic. The prices, look at that. Look at that drop from 76 all the way to 63. It gave us 13 points, man. And look at the recuperation of it. It rejected breaking 63, and it found support again. Bulls are defending their territory. They want to go to 90, and look at what happened. It's amazing. Look at the look at the turnaround back to 76. Unbelievable. So what do we need to know now for those of us who shorted 76 and those of us who are still expecting the price to go all the way to 90, right? So that we make 40 points, 40, 50 points on this morning session. Well, we need to know now what's the immediate level of support or resistance. Which level is the price going to respect? All right. So there are different strength. All right. For example, 74 right now is gonna be a pain in the butt. It's neither support nor resistance. 74 is again, we have another we have another another unknown gender. Okay. So as long as the price is above 74, comfortably leaping us 74, right? 74, 80, 74, 79, 74, these 5 points right here. As long as the price is above 74, we are counting on the price to eventually take the high and give us 90. As long as the price is below 74, there's going to be play 74, 67, 67, 74, boom, right there in the middle, 71. Then that's no man's land. We really don't know what's going to happen. All right? So we need to know all that stuff. And then a clean break of 63, what does that tell you? That the odds that we're going to get 90 are going to be farther and farther away. Now, what does the smart money do sometimes? Sometimes, many times. If they want to be really nasty, they're going to take 63, make amateurs believe that, we're in a downtrend now, and nothing. They're just dumping the price. Stop fishing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So our hangover short 76 still working beautifully. It was not invalidated, even though the price found support here at 63. It went all the way to almost the high. Couldn't take it. It didn't invalidate our bearish setup. Recuperates. It comes right back down. Price goes below 74. That's your confirmation that as long as we still shorting this setup, we're good. When it takes 74, we have confirmation that the bulls are in temporary control of this small wave. Boom. What is that? What is that dump all the way to where? Okay, look at that. What is that? 58, right? Okay. All right, 58. Okay, right here, 58, 57. Remember 57? That was one of our levels. Okay, and that's easy, Even teenagers on YouTube can tell that that's a breakout long time ago. Support becomes resistance becomes support. Right here, 57, 58. Price goes all the way to here. Okay, those of us who are counter trend short, the high, we're locking here, right here. We have to. We are locking 76 all the way to 59, right? 76 minus 59. How many points is that? That's 17 points that we're making on this second leg. Because our hangover bearish 76 short setup has not been invalidated. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right? Pretty good. Pretty good, right? 56. How many points is that for our short 76? That's 20 points. The one that was resistance, right? 54, the triple crown. That for the price to take it, it requires that much of strength. That's why our target 2 was 74, and we got a couple of 5 points bonuses, right? And then we call that short 76, and then it and look at this dump, right? Look at it, right? Where is it goes? All the way to our triple crown. It's right in the middle. Remember 51, 54? It was original 52, 54. We put it to 51. It's still 50, 51. It cannot take it. What happens when it gets there? It has to bounce. Triple crown was resistance. It is now support. Okay, our job now. So what do you think? What do you think the bulls are doing right here at this beautiful support 52, 50, 54? What do you think they're doing? They're adding to a winner, and new bulls are just establishing a new position low right here, right now. As long as the price doesn't take our triple crown, which is now support, bulls that they're gonna try with this beautiful volatility, they're gonna try to ride it as much as possible. What time it is right now? It's 11:05. Oh my God, that's right. As long as we have volatility, we have opportunities. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the fact that the price just went from 76 once again, and it gave us another beautiful run all the way to 54, it gave us 24 points, then it tells us that that our triple crown setup, beautiful, strong as an ox, it's working now on the other side. And it might not look like 90 is in the cards anytime soon, right? Well, it doesn't matter, right? Because we add to a winner our triple crown, and now we are in management mode. We know that we're gonna be chopped around all this area right here. 67, remember, target 1, target 2, 74. It's gonna be chopped around there, 71, and then the high today. And then I'm telling you, you know, stop break even, start trailing. 11:30, we're done. We're not gonna have new positions after 11:30. And this is the way, my friends, here at Capital Trade Center, this is how the cookie crumbles. If it's not live, it's not real. You're gonna follow somebody, you got to have whoever you're following do this in front of you every single day, live, real time. If they refuse to do it, you know what they are, right?